We bought this Waterfalls game to go with my husband's 50th birthday party, which we did an 80s theme. And it was a big hoot. Um, you have to fill up with your own water, but it comes with all these games. It comes with Space Invaders and Road Rally and arcade ball and pinball and basketball and mole holes, which is like whack-a-mole. In order to play a game, you turn it to the back and you take the card and it slips in here and then down in there and then it's on the back. Then you turn it over and all of a sudden you are playing arcade ball and you're hitting it right here and you're trying to get it in and score your points. We actually had a tournament about this with this and it was super fun at the party and very nostalgic. So it's a really great nostalgic toy and it'd be really great for today's kids too because they need to spend less time on electronics and have more fun. Or you can do Space Invaders, which is probably the best one because it's the most nostalgic. And see if you can get it on there. And you can make it more challenging, make it so like all the colors have to match what you're going to. So I highly recommend this. It was super fun, and every once in a while my husband and I get it down and turn it into a date night drinking game.